Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Golf Cart Underglow is probably one of the most sought-after accessories for personalizing your golf cart, transforming it from a simple vehicle into a head-turning statement. This video will dive deep into the world of Golf Cart Underglow, exploring various options, installation processes, and the key factors to consider when choosing the perfect Underglow kit to match your style and budget, ensuring you make an informed decision before illuminating your ride. Number 5. 10L0L Golf Cart LED Kit. Upgrade your golf cart's look with our new LED light kit. It's easy to install and offers various lighting options to match your style. Enjoy 22 different lighting modes, from solid colors to dynamic color cycles and music sync. It has something for every occasion and mood. Control it all wirelessly. Use the simple remote to switch between modes, colors, and even activate the music sync feature. It's water-resistant and flexible, so you can easily customize the installation to fit your golf cart. It's built to last. Installation is a breeze. The flexible LED strips can bend to any shape, making it perfect for DIY enthusiasts. Get ready to light up your cart in minutes. This kit is compatible with most gas and electric golf carts. Transform your ride and make it stand out from the crowd. Whether it's Halloween, Christmas, or a weekend getaway, this kit adds a festive touch to your golf cart. Get ready to turn heads. What we like. It boasts a wide variety of lighting modes, from solid colors to music sync. The wireless remote makes it super easy to control. If you want vibrant, customizable underglow lighting that can withstand the elements, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Lights look and feel sealed and made well. Lights are just the right brightness and remote works great. The installation was super easy. It took longer running the LED strips across the bottom than connecting them to the battery. Quality of light seemed to be good and they are holding on strong. Number 4. OPT7 Aura Golf Cart LED Lighting. It's compatible with most gas and electric golf carts that have a 12-volt system. Installation is a breeze. Control your lighting with an on-off switch, or use one of the two wireless remotes for quick changes and cool light shows. It bends and curves to fit any surface, even hard-to-reach spots. Zip ties and extension wires are included for a secure and custom fit. Choose from a wide variety of colors and lighting modes to match your style. Enjoy vibrant colors, stunning cycles, fades, strobes, and more. The smart brake function enhances safety. When you brake, it automatically changes to red, warning others to stop. See the manual for details on connecting the AUX wire. It comes with a 1-year warranty and US-based customer support. We're here to help with any questions or concerns. What we like. This kit offers multiple ways to control the lights, including a handy keychain remote. The smart brake light feature enhances safety. If you prioritize ease of use and added safety features, this is the one for you. Number 3. LEDGlow Golf Cart Lighting Kit. Transform your golf cart's look with this amazing lighting kit. It's easy to install and offers millions of color options. With this kit, you can customize your golf cart's lighting with a wide array of colors and dynamic effects. Express your personal style with ease. It includes underbody, wheel well, and interior lights for a comprehensive upgrade. Everything you need is included in one convenient kit. The kit comes with detailed instructions and a user-friendly control box. You'll be enjoying vibrant lighting in no time. Choose from 10 solid colors, plus various strobe, fade, and flash modes. It even has a color cycle and gradient mode for a dynamic show. It's built to withstand the elements, ensuring long-lasting performance and vibrant colors. Enjoy peace of mind with its water-resistant design. Control your lighting with ease using the included wireless remotes. Change colors and modes from anywhere around your cart. The kit includes all necessary components, such as flexible tubes, a control box, remotes, and mounting hardware. It's ready to install right out of the box. Backed by a 1-year limited warranty and free lifetime technical support, you can trust in the quality and reliability of this kit. We're here to help. What we like. It offers a massive range of colors and lighting effects. It also includes lights for the wheel wells and interior. If you're looking for a complete lighting solution that transforms your entire golf cart, this kit is for you. What people say. Easier to install than you think. I was able to install all but the 2 lights under the dash without any cutting or modification. Great colors and mode programming. Plenty of options for attaching lights to my golf cart. The light bars have adhesion that works pretty good if you use the alcohol. They aren't going anywhere. Screws are included. Number 2. LEDGlow Golf Cart Lighting Kit. Transform your golf cart's look with this complete lighting kit. It features vibrant, multicolor options for a truly customized ride. It boasts 10 solid colors, plus various strobe, fade, and flash modes. You can even cycle through colors or create a gradient effect. This kit includes underglow, canopy, wheel well, and interior lights. Everything you need for a dazzling upgrade is included. With detailed, step-by-step instructions, installation is a breeze. You'll be enjoying your new lights in no time. It's built to last with water-resistant tubes and a durable control box. Enjoy your vibrant lights, rain or shine. Control your lights wirelessly with the included remotes. Change colors and modes from the comfort of your seat. Your purchase includes a 1-year limited warranty and free lifetime technical support. We're here to help. What we like. This kit provides vibrant, multicolor lighting for the underglow, canopy, and interior. It's a total lighting package. If you want to illuminate every part of your golf cart, this is the ideal choice. What people say. Easy installation. The directions are clear, making the installation process straightforward. Even for someone not particularly handy, this kit was a breeze to set up. Vibrant and bright. The lights are incredibly bright, and the colors look amazing. With 10 solid colors and various modes, strobe, fade, flash, and more, the customization options are impressive. Comprehensive kit. This kit includes everything you need for a complete lighting package: underbody, canopy, wheel well, and interior lights. Plus, the water-resistant design ensures durability. Number 1. LEDGlow 6-Seater Limo Golf Cart Kit. Transform your golf cart into a head-turner with this complete lighting kit. It's designed to fit 6-seater limo golf carts and offers millions of color options. With its advanced LED technology, it provides vibrant, customizable lighting. Enjoy 10 solid colors, plus various strobe, fade, and flash modes. This kit includes underbody, canopy, and wheel well lights for total illumination. Everything you need for a stunning upgrade is included. The kit comes with detailed instructions and a user-friendly control box. 2 wireless remotes make adjusting the lights a breeze. It's built with water-resistant materials and backed by a 1-year warranty and free lifetime technical support. Enjoy peace of mind with your purchase. Get ready to experience the ultimate in golf cart style and illumination. Order your LEDGlow kit now. What we like. This kit is designed for 6-seater golf carts and offers a full range of colors and lighting effects for the underglow and canopy. If you have a larger golf cart and want a comprehensive lighting solution, this is perfect for you. What people say. The light placement for these are great and reflect nicely off the ground. Lots of compliments on them. The video in the net is exactly what it looks like when installed. This was an awesome kit. Really pimped out our golf cart. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.